Spotted a GFE file in your graphics workflow and unsure how to access it? This is a file associated with graphics file management or specialized image applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through these Graphics File Explorer files. My professional advice: when standard programs fail on a tricky GFE file, you need a secret weapon, a piece of magical software. We'll cover that after we try 3 main fixes. GFE files are graphics-related files, potentially associated with graphics file management, software, image collection tools, or specialized graphics applications. They may store image references, collection metadata, or graphics-specific data, depending on the originating application's specific purpose and functionality. GFE files use formats specific to the source, graphics application, potentially containing structured data with image references, metadata, thumbnails, or graphics-specific configuration. The format follows the originating software specifications for managing graphics collections or specialized image processing workflows. The GFE data container is optimally managed by ExinView MP developed by Exinsoft. Windows cannot reliably map the file's internal data paths for extraction. Windows can view static components, but style, layers, and effects need full editors. The first step is to check which program successfully reads the file's header. Right-click the GFE file and click Open with, test ExinView MP if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option. If your GFE file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Why is the file failing? It's not random. Here are the most common technical factors preventing your GFE file from opening correctly. First, identifying source application. Determine the application that created the GFE file by examining its origin and surrounding files. Check installed graphics software, image management tools, or specialized design applications. The originating program typically provides proper handling for its specific GFE files within its workflow. Next, trying universal viewers. Test GFE files with universal file viewers like FileViewer Plus or Free Opener, which support hundreds of formats. Right-click the file, select Open with, and try various graphics applications. Image processing tools like ExinView MP, IrfanView, or GIMP may recognize the format if it uses standard image data. Finally, inspecting contents. Open GFE files in a hex editor like HXD to examine the file structure. Look for image format signatures like JPEG, PNG, or BMP markers. Image files may have recognizable headers, indicating their underlying format, enabling renaming to standard image extensions for opening in regular image viewers. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.